Hello, Amity, and welcome back to Cat News. My name's Liza, and I'm your host for today. Today's date is Wednesday, March 8th, 2023. Today in history, in 1971, Joe Frazier ends Muhammad Ali's 31-fight winning streak at Madison Square Garden, New York City. Retains heavyweight boxing title by unanimous points decision over the 15th round in the fight of the century. Happy birthday to anyone who's celebrating. Famous celebrity birthday. Montana Jordan. He played Georgie in Young Sheldon. Lunch today is mini cheese-filled breadstick bites, steamed broccoli, marinara sauce, chilled strawberries. Don't forget to say please and thank you to our kind kitchen staff. Word of the day. Believe. To remain or stay. Mindful Minute. What are you excited for? Today, we are going to focus on something that we are looking forward to. As we begin, please close your eyes and take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth. As you continue breathing, take some time to think about something you're excited for. This can be something that will happen later today, next week, or even next year. Picture whatever it is. What will it look like? Who will be there? Really try to picture the scene and notice who will be there. And notice everything about it. Now gently shift your focus to how you will be feeling. What will your body and mind feel like? When you are there, really focus all your energy on what it will be. When you are finished, take a deep breath in through your nose and out through your mouth, and slowly open your eyes. Important announcements. Friday is a half day for students and the end of the quarter. Remember, it's a great day to be a Wildcat.